1 shows a rectangular piece of paper. The ratio of its length to its breadth is 4:3. So I will cut down first. My length is 4 units. My breadth here is 3 units. Now in figure 2, the piece of paper is folded and cut along the dotted line. So this is my dotted line. You cut along this dotted line. Now figure 3 shows the cutout C and the remaining area of your paper R. So you realize that this area R is actually a square. Okay, so what is the ratio of the length to the breadth of C? Now remember, this side of your rectangle remains as 3 units. There's no change. This part here, okay, how do you find out what is the breadth of your C? So if I look at this is a square, means that my side will be a 3 units by a 3 units. So since my total length at first is 4 units, if I take 4 minus my 3 for the square, means the breadth of my rectangle C must be 1 unit. So the ratio for the length to the breadth of C is 3:1. 3 for the length and 1 for the breadth. Okay, now for part B, what percentage of the area of C is the area of R? Means your question wants you to find your area of R over area of C times your 100% because you want percentage. So how do you find the ratio for area of C and R? Okay, so let's record down first. I want to find the ratio for the area of these two figures. So for my C, if I want to find the area, it will be my length times breadth. So I will take 3 times 1. For my R, the length and breadth is the same because it's a square. So I get 3 times 3. Okay, so if I simplify this ratio, you get C3 and you get your R to be 9. If you simplify this further, the ratio will be 1:3. In other words, the area of R is 3 times the area of C. So if I want to find my percentage, I will take my R, 3/1 times by 100%. Okay, so that will give us 300%. So my answer for this will be 300%. Okay.